Did you know your snoring can give you brain fog and make you feel constantly tired, forgetful, and fuzzy-headed? According to the Mayo Clinic, snoring can cause headaches, make it difficult to concentrate, and make you feel tired all day long. Poor performance on the job, that can be an early warning sign that your snoring is causing you serious problems. Other anti-snoring techniques, they don't target the root cause, soft tissue falling back in your throat. Well, Z-Quiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by gently moving your jaw forward. Z-Quiet is ready to use straight out of the box. You just simply put it in before you go to bed. You enjoy a better night's sleep, completely snore-free. Since using Z-Quiet, I've stopped snoring altogether. I feel more rested and alert during the day, and I feel like I'm back on my game and as sharp as ever. You know, your snoring may be causing your brain fog. You need to try Z-Quiet.